M&M cooking again with Avery. Of course, I'm the star of the show. You'll see why in just a minute. We are going to make a space snack mix, and it only has 3 ingredients. Popped popcorn that you can pop in the microwave. You can also buy a bag of it. You also are going to have M&Ms, yum, and then some kind of a chocolate brownie. I bought these Little Debbie mini brownies, or there's also some by Intimate, I think it is, but some kind of chocolate brownie. And if you want to make brownies, you could too. So first we're going to put in our popcorn here, Avery. So, and I'm not going to put the whole bag. All right. So, Avery, when do astronauts eat?
I don't know. When do astronauts eat?
At launch time. Get it? Launch time. So, I put about half of my bag of popcorn into here. So, my popcorn, because I'm an astronaut, is going to be my clouds. All right? These can be my clouds in the sky. And then Avery is going to take our brownies. And I forgot to get her a knife here. And she's going to kind of cut them up into littler pieces. Little, not a word. Smaller pieces. And those are going to be our asteroids. So asteroids and meteors fly around in the air. So those are going to be our asteroid bits, or like our asteroid belt going into our snack. And then last, while she's doing that, I'm going to put M&Ms in, and M&Ms are going to be our planets. So maybe the red could be Mars. The blue could be Earth. What else? What about orange?
The yellow one could be Venus.
Could be Venus. Maybe Mercury here is the other color. Brown. I don't know what brown could be.
Pluto.
Pluto. Brown could be Pluto. All right. So we've I think we need some more brownie. A little more brownie.
A little more brownies.
So now see, we've got this great snack mix going in here. So why did the cow go to outer space?
Why did the cow go to outer space?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
To visit the Milky Way. Gotcha, didn't I? All right, so we're going to kind of mix that around. If you mix it too much, the M&Ms always go to the bottom. So then you're going to take a cup. See, now all I can see is popcorn. So you can even use your hands, because we know they're clean, because you put your hand sanitizer on beforehand. And you just kind of take a cup here and just kind of scoop out some of your fun mix so that you can see all the pieces of it. You could also, if you don't want to put them in a big bowl like we did, you can just put them together in a cup. You can put the popcorn in first, and then your brownie, and then you can put in your M&Ms.
Yum.
So there's our astronaut snack mix, taking you all the way to the stars. All right, we love you. See you soon.